There's this thing that people are always looking for when they're trying to find the perfect candidate. They're looking for folks that have this culture fit, or folks that know how to be in community and in collaboration with other people. Ada should be your first stop at tech recruitment, because if you want to really and intentionally diversify your software engineering community, you start where you want to see the most impact. You don't go to the well that you've been going to over and over again. You don't go to the college recruiting fair that still only has 26% women, that still only graduates 4% Black women. We have seen numbers where 100% of our folks are women and gender expansive, and 76% of them are from a BIPOC community. That to us is life-changing. It's community-changing.
Our students come with such a diverse set of life experiences that they bring. Many of them may not have studied tech in college, but that doesn't mean they don't have a college degree. And so our students have a lot of the soft skills that are developed through already having had a career. They're good communicators. They have an understanding of work ethic. They are determined, and they are invested in their own success. And I think that is something that you don't necessarily find in a lot of early stage interns that are just getting their feet wet in industry.
I myself love coming to the tech field after having had a whole other career. I think I have a lot of skills working with others, explaining things clearly, just everyday professionalism that gives me a real leg up.
I am Latin, and the Latin culture is the sense of community and the sense of family is pretty strong. And I feel like everywhere where I go, I try to create a community where everyone can be heard and like people is not being judged for what they are saying.
I think that Ada bootcamp graduates, one, really know their stuff, full stack, back end, front end, the whole thing. We are ready for it.
Debugging, testing, coding, searching, reading, a lot of documentation, knowing what to ask, knowing when to ask, knowing when to ask for help as well.
I think the most important skill that you learn during Ada is learn how to learn. It doesn't matter if you are learning just one programming language, because when you go to the industry, when you go to work, you know you have the skills to pick up like any language.
When you think of the average tech person, you might not think of someone who looks like me and has my background, but I guarantee you that I am better with people than that person you're thinking of.
Anyone considering hiring an Adie grad, I would say please do it, and also you're welcome, because they are the best candidates that you could possibly find because of the tenacity, because of the resilience, because of the diversity in their experiences. They bring forward a perspective that may not be seen anywhere else in the talent pool.
Find your future software developer at Ada Developers Academy.